was just planting green beans. That was the first thing that I started with. And then I did a little overview after I got through planting the beans and kind of let you know where we are at this point. But I just want to give you a little intro to let you know what it is that we're planting at this moment. And then I'll probably put a little footage of, we've got several hens that are setting and they're hatching out babies, so I'll probably put some little baby chicks video in here too as well, because everybody loves the little baby chicks. I know I do. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching and I hope you enjoy the video. If you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button. Love for you to come with us on our journey. Thanks for watching. I want to plant green beans in here. I can't remember now. Mom planted something somewhere. I'm going to put some in here where these broccoli used to be. And over here. And then I am going to put some out there as well. I also have some sunflower seeds that I saved. Wait a minute, these aren't sunflower seeds, these are gourds. So I just now noticed that I got the wrong container. I had some sunflower seeds that I wanted to throw out, but these I'll wait till later, like at the end of the summer, because they'll be a good fall plant.
Each day's a story the earth understands. Homestead dreams where the air runs free. Chickens clucking and the cedar tree. Every plant from the sawmill hums a hymn of work.
This is where we are so far. Got some pansies left over from the winter garden, and there are some sweet potatoes growing in there also. Got potatoes there, more pansies, potatoes, and I did plant some green beans. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, because I might have to dig the potatoes before the green beans are done, but we'll see. It's all trial and error. More potatoes over there. We've got our zinnias coming out. That's what these are. And then just some flower bulbs. Hyacinths and calla lilies and I don't know what all is in there. Over here I've got my pineapple mint, which is doing really well, and my potatoes, they also look really good. This bed is currently empty. This one I have my squash and my purple basil. You can see lots of we've got spaghetti squash here, and then crooked neck, or just yellow, yeah, crooked neck squash over there, yellow squash. This one, I'm not sure if Mom planted something in here. That's a potato that just came up. We didn't plant it, so it was left over from last year. But currently, I think this bed is empty. This bed also, it has the Brussels sprouts, which did not do well. I mean, as you can see, they just didn't really... They didn't mature, I guess. I don't know. I probably won't do those again. But she planted her tomatoes in there. We've got over here, she planted some cucumbers to grow up on this little vine. And there were some mint and pansies left over from the winter garden. This bed I just planted full of green beans. This bed we've got tomato, a basil, and one collard is hanging on. A couple of onions, or that might be garlic. I think that's garlic. Over here we've got cilantro, some pansies left over from the winter garden, and then these are our beets. Got the rosemary, and over here Mom will plant her okra. Looks like she also got some marigolds for something. So that's the whole garden as of right now. And over here I just planted this full of green beans. This is my lettuce. I had some plants, and I did also plant some seeds, and you can see that's coming up as well. More potatoes. Look at this beautiful little bloom on the potatoes if you've never seen one. Isn't that cool? First thing I want to do is go check on the chickens. We have a little situation. Every now and then you get a hen that's aggressive. Normally it's roosters, but we have a hen that is just being a nuisance. So this hen here, she was one of the moms. She had the 2 babies. She was severely picking on this hen. I mean, like bad. And for a couple of days, this hen couldn't even open one of her eyes. You can see her face is still pretty messed up. But I can't have aggressive hens. So I made the decision to put all the babies in with this mom, and they're all in there together. They're all kind of hiding right now, but now my decision is I have to do something with this other hen. But she's doing good. She's got all of them, and she's taking care of them. And I just feel bad for her because she had a rough few days there. But I don't want to have to leave her locked up in this pen like forever. So I need to do something with that other hen. So yesterday I closed this off and that room off, so all the chickens, all the main chickens just stayed in here because I wanted to give that white hen a little time with the babies, with the new babies, without the other hen coming over and just pacing back and forth in front of her and making a nuisance. So today, I want to make sure I let all the hens out so I can open this door. So I think what I'm going to do is just trap that hen in this room right here by herself. Right, we got her in here by herself. She's got food. I need to get her some water. Take one of these out with me, put some water in it. But now I can let the rest of the hens out. They will be very happy about that. Alright, y'all ready to come out? Sorry, had to lock you up yesterday. I know, it's not fun. Drama in the coop. Girls got mean girls. Come on, ladies. I know. I got a little treat for you, too. You ready? There you go. That's my way of saying I'm sorry for locking you up yesterday. Aw, they want to come out too. I don't know if I want to let her out today or not. I think she'll be fine out here with these. Beautiful morning this morning. It is supposed to get cool again, I think, this evening. Or maybe tomorrow evening. I can't remember now. Which is crazy. Alright, I've got a little, put some collards in there. I'm going to pick some rosemary. Oh. They love rosemary. And then I've got a little cilantro over here. Little cilantro. Make them a little chicken salad. Oh, that was a dad joke. Alright, we have a treat for the little chickens that have to be locked up. And herbs are very good for them. They're very healthy. Help them fight off pests, and they're just it's just a good thing to give your chickens herbs. I grow some of them just for that, like basil. I don't eat basil. I don't eat cilantro. My husband will eat it, but cilantro and the basil always come out here to the chickens. Everybody, look at that. Tell them how good it is. Well, it's later on in the day, and I did notice that this little white hen was picking on those other two little babies. So I don't want them to get hurt, so I just let her out. She's fine being out with the rest of these hens. It's just that one hen that was picking on her. But that hen also picks on some of these larger ones as well. So I did put the babies, her babies, back in there with her and locked her up. I'll just leave all the rest of them out. Figure out what we're going to do with her. But for now, we'll just keep her locked up. Her babies are about 3 weeks younger than these other ones. So I hate to leave them locked up. I don't like anything to be... I hate that I even have to have my chickens locked up in here, because I used to let them free range, but the hawks were getting them. So I'll just leave her in that pen for a while until we can figure out what we can do. But these other ones, the mom and her little white babies, the white mom and her little babies are fine. They're old enough to be out with the regular hens, and they're thriving. They're doing fine. I just I hate dealing with problems, you know, but there's always something. It's always something you got to deal with. But that one hen, we'll have to deal with her eventually. But right now, we've got to make sure the babies are taken care of, and so I put her back in there with them. And speaking of babies, I got another surprise for you. Where are we going, Cody? Huh? Where are we going? Alright, if you've been watching my videos and you saw one prior where I built a brooder house, then you know where we're going. That's right. Put a hen in here, setting literally the next day. her baby started hatching out, so it couldn't have been more perfect timing. So let's see what she's got. All right, Mama, you got some babies under there? What you got? Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. Little baby. Yes, there's one. Oh, there's another one. You got two? Wait, you got three? Are they all going to be black? Huh? You got three babies? Three little black ones. Aren't they sweet?